Welcome to Lanit YouTube channel. අද අපේ spoken English පාඩම් මාලාවේ 8 වෙනි පාඩම. At the ATM. Okay, let's go to the lesson. Lesson 8. At the ATM. Please excuse me. කරුණාකර මට සමාවෙන්න. Yes, how can I help you? Oh, මට උදව් කළ හැක්කේ කෙසේද? Please excuse me. කරුණාකර මට සමාවෙන්න. Yes, how can I help you? Oh, මට ඔබට උදව් කළ හැක්කේ කෙසේද? I want to use the ATM machine. මට අවශ්‍යයි ATM machine එක භාවිතා කිරීමට. So what's the problem? ඉතින් මොකක්ද ගැටලුව? I want to use the ATM machine. So what's the problem? I don't know how to use it. මම දන්නේ නැහැ ඒ භාවිතා කරන්න හැටි. Is this the first time you use it? මේ පළමු වතාවද ඔබ ඒ භාවිතා කරන? I don't know how to use it. Is this the first time you use it? Yes, I have never used one before. මම කවදාවත්ම කලින් භාවිතා කරලා නැහැ. I can help you. It's simple. Yes, I have never used one before. I can help you. It's simple. මට පුළුවන් ඔබට උදව් කිරීමට. ඒ සරලයි. What should I do first? What should I do first? මම මුලින්ම කළ යුත්තේ කුමක්ද? First, insert the card. පළමුවෙන්ම ඇතුල් කරන්න කාඩ් එක. What should I do first? First, insert the card. No, it doesn't take in. ඒ ඇතුළට ගන්නේ නැහැ. Insert the correct side. ඇතුල් කරන්න නිවැරදි පැත්ත. No, it doesn't take in. ඒ ඇතුළට ගන්නේ නැහැ. Insert the correct side. Now it's okay. What's next? දැන් හරි. ඊළඟට කුමක්ද? Select the language. තෝරන්න භාෂාව. Now it's okay. What's next? Select the language. Then what? ඉන්පසු කුමක්ද? Then type the PIN number. ඉන්පසු type කරන්න PIN number එක. Then what? Then type the PIN number. Okay, then. හරි. ඊළඟට ඉන්පසු. After that, select the correct option. After that, select the correct option. ඉන්පසු තෝරන්න නිවැරදි තේරීම. That means ඒ කියන්නේ select whether you want to withdraw, deposit or see the balance. Select whether you want to withdraw, deposit or see the balance. තෝරන්න ඔබට අවශ්‍ය මුදල් ආපසු ගැනීමට, තැන්පත් කිරීමටද නැතොත් ශේෂය බැලීමටද කිය. Okay, I selected. I want to withdraw. හරි මම තේරුවා. මට අවශ්‍ය මුදල් ආපසු ගැනීමට. Okay, I selected. I want to withdraw. Then type the amount. ඉන්පසු type කරන්න අවශ්‍ය මුදල. Then type the amount. Okay, I did it. හරි මම කළා ඒක. Then select the correct option. ඉන්පසු තෝරන්න නිවැරදි තේරීම. That means ඒ කියන්නේ whether it is from the saving account or current account. Whether it is from the saving account or current account. මුදල් ගන්නේ ඉතිරි කිරීමේ ගිණුමෙන්ද නැතොත් ජංගම ගිණුමෙන්ද. Whether it is from the saving account or current account. Okay, I selected. හරි මම තේරුවා. Then wait and take the money. ටිකක් ඉඳලා මුදල් ගන්න. Then wait and take the money. Is that all? එපමණයිද? No. Select whether you want another service. Select whether you want another service. නෑ. ඔබට වෙනත් සේවාවක් අවශ්‍යද කියා තෝරන්න. Okay, I selected no. හරි මම තේරුවා නෑ කියලා. Take the card back. Take the card back. ගන්න කාඩ් එක ආපසු. Now I can do it alone. දැන් මට තනියෙන් ඒ කළ හැකියි. Thank you very much for your kindness. ස්තුතියි ඔබට ගොඩක්. ඔබේ කාරුණික භාවයට. Now I can do it alone. Thank you very much for your kindness. It's my pleasure. Okay, right. That's the end of the dialogue. Now let's practice. Okay, right. Okay, I am the person who want to get money. You are the helper. Okay, let's start. Please excuse me. I want to use the ATM machine. I don't know how to use it. Yes, I have never used one before. What should I do first? No, it doesn't take in. Now it's okay. What's next? Then what? Okay, then. That means okay, I selected. I want to withdraw. Okay, I did it. That means okay, I selected no. Now I can do it alone. Thank you very much for your kindness. Okay, right. Now you are the person who are going to deposit, who are going to withdraw money. Okay. I'm the person, I'm the helper. Okay, let's start. Yes, how can I help you? So, what's the problem? Is this the first time you use it? I can help you. It's simple. First, insert the card. Insert the correct side. Select the language. Then type the PIN number. After that, select the correct option. Select whether you want to withdraw, deposit, or see the balance. Then type the amount. Then select the correct option. Whether it is from the saving account or current account. Then wait and take the money. No, select whether you want another service. Take the card back. It's my pleasure. Okay, that's the end of our dialogue today. Practice again and again. Okay, let's meet again from a new video. Thank you for watching. Good luck.